birthday. Kia Ora. My name's Casie.
And we're at WINTON School. I'm Ashlynn. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 27th of July.
We start the week with some health and safety news. There's still a number of areas out of bounds because of the mud.
And if it's an outside day, please make sure you're playing in areas that are clean or relatively dry.
A big kia ora to all the librarians. Libraries open at 12:40 today. It's clean and dry in there. Get it? It's also toasty and warm. And there are books. Hey, hey.
Book club news. You have until Thursday to get those orders into the office.
Remember that ordering books is also supporting the library. Orders in by Thursday, please.
Okay, on to kupu ātaahua wiki. This week's word is arta-ahua,
which is te reo for beautiful, as in kei te ātaahua ahau. I am beautiful. Well, the news doesn't lie.
I'm beautiful too.
You're not proving a point, Ashlynn.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing. Remember, to and from school, wear high-vis vests.
Science fair news. All students entering projects, please meet Mrs. Collar in the group room after your lunch. Or if you're in the choir, at morning tea, please, in the group room. Kia ora.
And if you miss any notices, or you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below. I'm not a text box, I'm a retard.
It's not creepy at all.
No.
School choir news. Please take your lunches to the hall at 12:30. You have a sing-along at lunchtime.
Birthday news. Happy birthday to our president, Amir Hall, turning 13 today.
Braden Robertson is turning the big 10 today.
And Megan Bailey turned 6 in the weekend, and we hear there might be a bit of a celebration going on in room 4 today.
Want some pizza, Ashlynn?
Nah.
Oh wait, we're not even in room 4. Sad. Happy birthday, everyone. Have a great day.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a pōpō.
Stay clean, stay dry, and sing on, WINTON School. Well, happy birthday, kids. Well, this studio is just creeping me out.
Let's go.
Let's go.